I'm just coming back from the river. And the river is dried up. There is nothing there. Dried up? Yes, of course. We are even surprised. We are going on. How come? So there's no water. Can't ask the gods. Are you sure you are telling us? Go and see for yourself.
Papa is not yet back.
He's not back, oh. It's taking too long.
Where are these children?
Here he comes.
Papa, welcome.
Okay, you are here.
Papa, welcome. Yes. How did it go?
My daughters, no solution yet.
Ha!
But why, Papa?
My dear, only the gods can answer that.
The gods have to answer us because things are getting out of hand. People are suffering.
Things are getting worse.
It's telling on every one of us. Please, I'm tired. Have you
It's
cooked?
taking too long.
No, Papa, we are not. We are about to.
Abeg, prepare something. I'm hungry.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm about to split the wood.
Okay, when you are done, I'm inside.
I'm going to try and break the wood. Let me get pot.
What is happening to our village? Why do we have to go to the next village to fetch water, to cook, to bathe, and to drink?
Hey, remember my friend. If you ask me, who will I ask? That is how it's going to continue until our gods choose for us our priestess. If not, we will continue like this.
Let them act fast, because this thing is becoming too much.
I hope so. I just hope so. Imatinya. Atwari. Ma.
You can continue.
Okay, sir.
Good night,
My elders, I thank you all, but I must be sincere. I am not in good mood. Since the transition of our priestess to the great beyond, the gods have refused to speak. To speak on who the replacement is. And it's not funny. Things are deteriorating by the day. The other day we heard that the stream suddenly went dry. Now our children will have to go across to another village to get water for our community. That is not funny. It's not funny. And the gods are not talking. The gods are quiet. No, talk about the farm produce. Things are drying up. Do we fold our hands and watch our people suffer? No. We are the custodian of the people, of culture. So what do we do?
Look at talk by. He said, all we need now is for us to be patient
Patience.
For the gods to look into it.
Patience, you say?
Yes,
But for how long are we going to be patient? Till all the children die? Or things get worse and worse every day? For how long?
Well,
I mean, the gods cannot forsake us in times like this. They need to tell us what the replacement so that things can get better the way it used to be. Life can become normal.
Enoge, Your Highness, okay, we have to be patient. Patience is what we need. The gods will definitely reveal to us who the next priestess is. You are right. That's what we need. Patience. Enoge, I talk, man.
Elders, I know that patience is a virtue. But for how long are we going to exhibit this patience?
Our forefathers, what is going on in our community? Remember?
Hey, my friend. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine.
You are sitting here. You're not ready.
Ready for what?
I told you yesterday now that we should go to the farm to see if we can get any stuff there.
Please, there's no need for that.
Why?
Because I don't want to go there and come back empty-handed.
Who told you you're coming back empty-handed? Eh? We haven't tried to see if there's anything there. And by the way, where is your younger sister?
She went to a nearby village to fetch water.
So let's go to the farm before she comes back.
See, Enema, I don't want to waste the little strength I have here. Because I know for sure if we go there now, we'll come back empty-handed.
My friend,
That's how it always be.
My friend, nobody is wasting our time. Let's just go there to check. We might see something there. We haven't gone there now to see if you will see something or not. You're just concluding.
This is how you keep assuring me. Every now and then, if we go, we'll come back with something. But at the end of the day, we'll still come back empty-handed. So I don't want to go.
Let's try first, my friend. Let's go. Let's go there and
No
see.
problem, no problem. I'll follow you. Let me get my cutlass.
Get your cutlass. Let's go. Where is Papa?
Papa is inside.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Sorry, my friend. I guess it's very heavy. I can imagine.
When I get there now, we'll
See some stuff. So,
We will. How is it?
welcome.
Sister.
How did you get water?
Sister, see, it's a long story.
Hey, yeah.
Let me just get some first. See,
Thank you, my
Stress
sister.
is too much.
All right, we are coming.
All right, bye.
You see, she
Sorry,
was
eh?
able to get water. We will get our own. The fact that she got water doesn't mean that we also
We will have faith.
Elders,
You want to talk,
I cannot say I am not conscious of the efforts people are making to bring betterment to our community.
Thank you, Your Highness.
I want to say I sincerely and personally appreciate what you are doing.
You are finally home.
tell me the gods enough.
Let me help you. Wow, this is what you've been carrying. It's heavy. Sorry. Sorry, my friend.
I'm tired. It's not easy.
Sorry. Okay, we should leave it here, right? Okay. So let me just get home. We'll see you later. Okay. All right. Be careful. All right. Bye. Thank the gods for giving us water today. At least we have water to take up. I'm so happy. I'm not going to
This is a good sign. How do you see it? See, I've not seen His Highness like this before. It is a good sign. Yes.
Elders, it is indeed a good sign.
Oh, the gods are wise.
Yes, I think something positive is already happening in our land.
Thanks to the gods.
The gods be praised.
Gods.
from my friend's house.
It's from my friend's house. What is happening?
What's happening? What is happening? What's going on? Come on, sister. Yes. May the gods be praised. May the gods be praised. My sister.
My friend.
The gods have finally remembered us.
Yes, oh my friend, I'm so happy.
My sister. Our God, we thank you. We thank you. They finally remembered us.
Yes, oh my friend.
Look at my sister. We need to go to the palace. Yes.
I said it! You said it! The gods have finally answered our prayer. Behold the princess. May the gods be praised.
The gods be praised.
They have finally answered our prayer.
Yes!
May the gods be praised. I am sure now that tranquility has come back to us, that has been your prayer.
Yes!
So we want to say, now that we are sure that the gods are finally giving us a priestess, joy will come back to us.
Yes!
Peace will be restored.
Yes!
Our farm will produce better.
Yes!
And the rivers will produce good water.
Yes!
My people, thank you.
The
gods that have chosen her and have transformed her, they will also show her her place of solitude. They know her secret place.
Yes.
So we don't need to escort her. You must be happy now.
Awareness. Thank the gods. The gods have done it. The gods have found favor in my house.
In your family. You can go back to your... So go in peace. I hope you are happy now.
Very happy. Awareness. I'm very happy. Very happy. The daughter of a lion is a lioness. That's it.
That's why the Benin's we always say,
Oh,
you have been gallant all your life. And the gods recommend that you
the
remain.
gods recommend the gods.
Why are your eyes like this? You don't look fine.
So my daughter, Uwadiae, will not get married with me.
Papa, you always worry over nothing. We should be happy that we find favor in the eyes of the gods. And you must know that the gods know the best. As for giving you grandchildren, don't worry, Papa. I will give you as many grandchildren that you want. Because I know that is what you are talking about.
Okay, my daughter.
So, Papa, let's be happy.
After all, we are not the only families in the village. If the gods find us worthy enough to choose a priestess for this family, we should be happy.
My daughter, I'm happy. After all, she has come to salvage the situation.
Exactly. Exactly. Things will change for
Thank
good.
the gods.
May the God be praised.
Crying now, it's okay. It's okay now, take it easy. Stop, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You'll be fine now. Take her inside. Okay. Thank you, my priestess. Now come, let's go inside. Be careful, be careful.
My friend, what is happening?
My stomach is paining me. These days I find myself eating in my dream. And each time that happens, I also have this sharp pain on my stomach.
That is bad. It's not good at all.
I don't know. The pain is too much.
You know what? I think I will advise you to go and see the priestess, my sister.
Princess, welcome.
You are welcome.
Good day, sister.
You are welcome, my sister.
I'm here because of you.
Really?
Take this. With 7 alligator pepper. Chew and swallow. All your problems shall be over.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, my sister.
Thank you so much, my princess.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
See what I was telling you. I have not even finished speaking. She arrives. You should
May
take
the
this
gods
now. I
be
believe that the problem will be over. Thank the gods. You see, this is the benefit of having a priestess in our community. All this while we have been suffering. But look at the way she just solved your problems.
My friend, I have to wash them so I can look for
Yes,
them.
just she said
7.
the way she said you should add alligator pepper.
7.
7. Okay. Just go.
I'll see you later, okay?
Thank you. Ah, gods, thank you.
Today, I am very happy. And custom demand that through whom the gods have blessed the community should be appreciated.
Thank the gods. The gods.
Today, I deem it fit to hand over this bead to the one who the gods through whom gave us a priestess.
Your Highness, the
And
beads.
it is a honorable reserve that you decorate him. Off with.
The gods.
You are not recognized.
I thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Your Highness,
I want to let you know that henceforth you are royalty.
thank the gods. The gods be praised. I'm humbled.
Yes. The gods recognize you now.
Hey, my daughter. I have been favored. The gods have favored our family. I have been given a chieftaincy title.
Of course I can see it. You mean? The gods have really favored our family like that.
Yeah.
May the
As you
gods
can
be
see,
praised.
I'm now Chief Obanwoyi.
Papa.
in this community.
Hey, thank the gods. May the gods be praised. Papa, we need to celebrate this.
My daughter, are you telling me?
Let's go for celebration.
We are going to celebrate.
Papa.
Let's go inside.
I am happy for you.
Let's go inside, my dear.
Papa, happy for you.
Thank the gods for choosing my daughter, Uwadiae, as the priestess of this land. I thank my ancestors. I thank the gods for finding us worthy. Thank the gods for this honor. The gods, you shall protect her. Use her to do your good works. Heal this land. Protect us from every calamity. Heal every disease. The gods, she shall do your works. She shall not go contrary to your words. Protect her from every problem, every calamity. May the gods be praised.
Why is Chief Uwadiae not here now?
They look at top man.
Where's he?
Chief Uwadiae, I don't know what he's doing.
Look, you are talking, Your Highness.
Where's he?
Pardon my manners. I have to attend to some issues.
Chief Uwadiae, you have to attend to. Have you been behaving like this? Is it because they've given you a bill? That's why you are behaving like this.
No. My brother, it has not gotten to that. It has not gotten to. I think there is time. He said he was doing some things.
Chief Uwadiae has not been behaving like this because of the bill.
Okay. Let's leave that and get to the business of today. Let it not be a recurrent thing.
He has not been behaving like this before.
It's okay. Let's get down to the business.
You got the bill now. You are making things worse for us to settle.
It's okay. Now I said that is
easy
enough.
on me.
Am I forbidding the bill?
It's all right.
What have I done wrong, Your
I
Highness?
know what. Let's get down to the business of today.
You know you are talking.
He said,
You see, the new road site we're talking about.
My princess, I've come to appreciate you for the other day. The pain is gone. I'm okay now. Thank you, my princess.
Thank the gods. You can go now. But next time. Thank you, my princess.
Carry this thing. It's heavy now. How am I going to carry this on my own? Osaro, what is it again now? What is it? What is it?
I don't understand. What is it?
Yes, what is it? Why are you pestering my life? Why are you pestering my life?
Imwetinya, why are you so difficult? Eh? See, let me tell you. Let me remind you of one thing. If I cannot have you in this village, nobody else will have you.
Really?
Yes.
If you can't have me, nobody else?
Yes.
You are joking. Osaro, you are joking. I have told you already. I'm not interested in you. So let me be. Let me be. Is it by force?
Imwetinya.
Yes, is it by force?
It is by force. Yes, it is.
You are pushing me.
Pushing you to do what?
Osaro, you are pushing me. I'm going to
pushing
report.
you to do what?
Let go of my hand.
Eh?
What's the meaning of this?
Who are you reporting me to?
I said let go of my hand.
Who do you want to report me?
Osaro, let me be.
And if I did not?
I'm going to report you. And you won't like it. Let me go. meaning of this?
Calm
I said I'm not
down.
interested in you. Won't you let me be?
See. Let me remind you of something. Don't dare me.
No, you are threatening me.
Don't.
Now you are threatening me because
Don't
I don't want
try
to. Because I don't want to date you.
Try me, If you try me, don't worry. Maybe very soon you will see.
I'm going to report you.
Report you
yes, I'm going to report you because your own is getting too much.
I'm scared.
Your own is getting too much. What's me of this rubbish?
Let me remind you once again. If I cannot have you in this village, nobody will.
You are joking.
It's a promise.
You are joking.
Hear me.
You are joking,
Just try me
Osaro.
and see.
I said you are joking. You can't have me and you will never have me. What's the meaning of this rubbish? Is it my fault to date a guy? I'm not interested. They won't leave me alone. I'm going to report to the priestess.
What brought you here?
My princess, we wanted to bring you some items, some tubers of yam. So we decided to come ask you if we'll bring it here or your father's house.
You can take them to my father's house.
Thank you, my princess.
Thank you, my princess.
My princess.
That's so thoughtful of you.
Thank you, my princess.
Go well.
Thank you,
Thank you. May the gods be with you.
Priestess, I just came to report Osaro to you as my friend. He's forcing me into doing something that I don't want to do. And I'm not finding it funny anymore. My friend.
I've heard you. You don't have to worry yourself.
I shouldn't worry myself.
I will see you.
Okay, my friend.
How are your parents?
They are fine. How are you doing?
I'm fine, as you can see.
We bless the gods.
Yes.
Okay, my friend. Let me start going. Okay. I'll see you later.
Take
care of yourself. I'm missing you already. Alright, bye.
Go well.
Yeah.
Osaro, I have known you as a good person in this community. Why are you forcing a woman to have an affair with you?
My priestess, I did not force her. I did not.
So what do you want?
My priestess, I want her as my girlfriend.
Saro.
Yes, my priestess.
If truly you want her as your girlfriend, I will help you talk to her. That is if you are not lying to me and you are real about it.
Yes, I'm real. Thank you, my priestess. Thank you very much.
It's okay. Don't worry, you can go.
Thank you. I'm waiting here. Waiting here.
Osaro. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Don't be scared. My friend the priestess has spoken to me on your behalf. It's because she told me that you are genuine, not all this one that you are doing now. She told me you are genuine, so there's no problem.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Come and sit down.
No, don't worry, let me help you.
No. You don't have to do this. Don't stress yourself. Just come and sit down. Let me finish with what
Don't worry, I will help you. Let me do it. What is here? I can help you now.
Thank you.
Where is Mama?
She's inside. Thank you.
I will send for you. To allow that Priestess, to what do I owe this visit at this time of the night? But who on earth is working this night in the grinding machine? Who?
Enoke, sound this as a warning to the youth of this community.
About what?
They are committing sacrilege.
How do you mean?
They are desecrating the bushes. And the gods are not happy.
The bushes. Desecration. And the warning we get to them. The gods. It's okay. I know what to do. And not just the youth alone. These persons that will not allow us enjoy the calmness of the evening. I was having a wonderful time with my musician.
somebody tell me why Moitia is not here yet?
Calm down now.
For how long?
She'll still be here.
I'm waiting. She's been doing this thing not once, not twice, not the third time. Madam, is it now you are coming? How will you keep us waiting?
Calm down now. What is it?
I don't understand. What's the meaning of that?
Calm down.
Look at the time you are coming. Do you think we came here to wait for you?
Wait, is that the reason you are yelling? You are yelling at me?
Why won't I yell at you?
What is wrong
Who
with
are
you?
you? Are you okay? Who are you now? Are you waiting?
It's okay. Wait.
Wait. It's okay. Am I sensing jealousy here?
What sense of jealous? Look at this one. Who is jealous of you? Who is jealous of you? Why will I be jealous
It's
of
you
you?
that is jealous of me because you know my friend is not the priestess of this community. Yes, that's why you are jealous.
Look at this one. You should be ashamed that the gods didn't choose you. Rather, they found favor in you.
Yes. They didn't choose me.
And is that
but she's my friend. My
your
best
friend.
friend. Yes. She's my friend. You have to talk to jealousy. She's my friend. You are being jealous. Your sister is now the priestess of this community, and your father has been given a title.
You can say that again. I am so happy.
May the gods be praised.
May they be praised.
Amen.
Imagine. For finding my family worthy.
Yes.
Look at my sister. My younger sister for that matter. She's now the priestess of this community.
It is not easy.
And my father have been given a chieftaincy title.
I'm so happy. Your family
Who are
is
we now?
favored.
My family is favored though.
May the gods be praised.
Is
this not Pascal?
Oh, baby.
You're welcome.
How are you?
You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
You're welcome.
Baby, how are you?
Fine, no.
But you know I've missed you.
Same here, I know. But when did you arrive?
I actually came in like a few minutes ago, so I decided to come check up on you.
How was your journey?
Yeah, we thank God.
That's it. That's so thoughtful of you.
How's Papa?
Papa is fine.
And he's not around or what?
He's inside. Let me go. I don't know what to say.
You're looking good.
Okay.
Come and sit down.
Let me leave you guys. You're
Wow,
welcome.
why are you leaving?
No, I have some chores to do at home. I'll see you later.
All right, no
Tell me where to
problem.
Mama.
Okay,
I'll see you later.
How are you, darling?
Your Highness, if you want to talk with him.
How is the family?
We are fine, Your Highness.
That's okay.
Your Highness, just a suggestion.
What is that?
I would advise that you send for one of your sons to come home and learn tradition, just in case.
Uwadiae, there is no case that is just. Well, for the records, they are both learning over there. And when they are done with their education, they will still come back home to perfect tradition. Remember, north, south, east or west, home is the best. So certainly they will both come home, not just one of them. They will both come home after they are done with their education to come and exhibit tradition. I'm mad at you and Ben. It's okay, I understand. It will be done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, Your
All
Highness.
right.
Papa,
My son. Yes.
the reason why I actually came to see you is to let you know that I am ready to come do the needful.
Oh.
So I can take her home as my wife.
Thank you, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
Now that you have concluded plans to take my daughter as a wife, the gods and our ancestors will bless you. You will be favored. My son, go and tell your people to come and see me and my family, so that we will do the needful.
Yes, Papa.
Thank you, my son.
Thank you, Papa.
Papa, thank you.
My daughter.
I will try and do as you said.
Okay.
Papa, let me just quickly go home and talk to them.
Would you wait for... you didn't even offer him water or something?
Papa, I'm okay, Papa. I'm okay.
Let her give you something. My daughter.
Another time, said it's his.
Papa, I'm okay, Papa.
Eh?
Yes, Papa.
Like I said, she will also help in coordinating the young women to arrange the things as you have said.
Okay, yes, right.
Okay.
Your Highness, unless I forget, I brought her here to inform you that she's getting married.
So soon?
Yes, Your Highness.
She's ripe for marriage.
I know she is. May the gods be praised. At least, you can start having a lot of grandchildren. Since the gods have decided to
yes,
keep the other one. Please, one thing I want you to remember. Whatever arrangement you have made from the family angle, yes, let me know so I'll know where to come in my own support. She's our daughter. I think I was just giving her another responsibility. You know that it is well. We are proud of you.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Thank you, Your Highness. Look at top way.
My daughter.
You see?
Let's go.
I knew it.
Priestess is here.
Pascal,
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay, as you can see. I was told by a sister that you're not the priestess of our community.
Oh, yes.
And
when did you come back?
I came in last night, though. I came in last night, actually.
Yeah, welcome.
How are you coping with this regalia as the priestess?
It's what the gods choose, so I have no choice.
And I pray the gods assist you as well.
You say...
I was actually headed to one of my friend's place too.
Okay.
So let me just go see
As you can see, I'm doing my work.
I know.
I have a nice time.
And I pray the gods help you as well.
You see?
Thank you.
Papa,
My priestess,
I came to ask you a question.
what is it, if I may ask?
Papa, why is it that any priestess of this community does not get married or have anything to do with a man?
That's the way the gods program it. The priestess cannot have anything to do with a man. If she does, she will be stripped of her powers. Why did you ask?
It's nothing, Papa. Where's my sister?
Oh. She's not around. She went to see her friends.
Okay, Papa, send me a word to her.
Okay, I'll do so. Go where?
Baby.
My love.
Now that the necessary preparations has been made, and I'm waiting for the D-Day. I want you to know that after that very day, I'm taking you to the city.
You don't even need to say that because who is going to wait behind me?
I know.
Wait. You don't even need to say it because
I know
after the marriage.
I just want to let you know.
Priestess.
You're welcome, my priestess.
Good evening, sister. You're welcome. It's been a while.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Where's Papa?
Papa is not around. He went for town hall meeting.
Okay.
Yes. We miss you.
I miss you more.
Alright.
Please, send me a word to him when he comes back.
Okay. Alright. Alright.
I'll be on my way.
Okay. Bye. Hard time flies.
Yes.
Just look at my sister.
Yeah.
You are mine from today onward.
There lived a man called Uwadiae. He got married to 2 wives. One was humble and calm, while the other one was so wicked, very wicked. Morning, afternoon, evening, they always have problems. The man was confused and decided to test the 2 wives. Do you know what he did? No. He asked them to cook for him, which they both accepted. After they finished cooking, the wicked wife poisoned the food of the humble wife.
So sad.
She served it to her husband. Immediately the first wife, which is the wicked wife, served the food. Yes. My friend. Okay, girls. We'll finish the story tomorrow.
Please, continue the story.
I promise.
No. Complete it now.
We'll complete it tomorrow. Okay? You come by this time tomorrow. Okay? I'll tell you. Definitely. Good night, girls.
Good night.
See you guys tomorrow.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Good night. My friend, I came to the house.
Yes, I went out.
What's going on? Your face is not good.
Maybe I'm worried.
Why? What happened?
I'm very worried.
What happened?
Have you seen Pascal this morning?
No.
Do you know that I have not set my eyes on Pascal this morning?
Did you check this house?
Of course I did. In fact, I'm just coming from his house. And they said he's not at home.
Or maybe he has gone back to the city.
No, I'm not sure. My Pascal cannot just go back to the city like that without telling me. It's not possible now.
In that case, he should be at home. So let's go check very well.
I have been there. They said he's not at home.
Maybe you did check well, my friend. Let's go.
You're here.
Yo, my daughter. How are you?
Papa, I'm fine. Just that I'm worried.
Worried about what?
It's my friend Pascal. I've not set my eyes on him since yesterday.
Pascal?
Yes, Papa.
Have you gone to check his house?
Yes, Papa. My friend and I went to his house last night to check on him. He looked around. He was nowhere to be found.
Maybe he has gone back to town.
No, Papa. That's not Pascal. Pascal cannot just possibly go back to the city without notifying me. I know him too well. I think something is wrong somewhere.
Did you quarrel with him?
Not at all, Papa.
Then what is wrong? What is happening?
That I don't know. That's why I'm disturbed.
It's okay. Just go inside. Okay, Papa. Just rest for a while.
Papa, you
My priestess. Yes. Pascal, your sister's fiancé, is nowhere to be found.
Papa, is that why you called me?
Yes.
That shouldn't be a problem.
As the priestess of this kingdom,
Pascal should be somewhere around, Papa.
priestess.
Papa, it's okay. That is not a problem. I'll see you later.
Priestess!
Guess what?
What?
We saw Pascal and the priestess in the bush.
I don't understand. You saw my sister
and your Pascal
in the bush?
Yes.
They were kissing
and romancing at the same time.
You are not serious. What are you even saying?
We saw
How can you say my sister and my fiance inside the bush?
She was even touching his head.
Hey! My goodness. Okay. Thank you for the information. Thank you. Okay, no problem. Thank you. No, this is not happening. Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming? My own sister, my blood sister with my fiance inside the bush.
If I was told by an oracle that the priestess, my friend, will do such a thing, I will tell the oracle to pack their load and leave.
My dear, this is so disheartening. How can a priestess the gods use in liberating our land still be the same person destroying it?
My friend, I'm tired. I am, for real.
Come to think of it, you are close to her, her best friend. Why don't you talk to her?
I was, but not anymore. Not after all these things that is happening.
No. Just imagine the playground. We are the only ones here.
Everywhere is so empty.
We used to be much.
Please, we need to leave before the priestess will see us here. You know what she can do. Please, let's just go. Good night.
Good night.
Hello, talk, man.
I don't seem to understand what is happening again. Calamity has returned back to the land.
What?
But what is what? Are you not here with us in this land? Eh? Why the sitting priestess is still on the throne, her throne?
Yes, you are right.
Still functional. And we are having all this chaos. It is unheard of. I'm confused.
Hello, talk, man.
I see.
Like this situation now, I will suggest that we invite her to the palace.
We need to consult her.
Yes, because with her position be on the throne, she's in better position to see what is going on and find a way out for us.
That is very correct. But I think there's no need for us to waste more time. What are we waiting for? Please, fetch her for me. The palace has need of her now.
I will go for that. No get talk with him. I will talk for her. I don't want this to
be careful there.
Okay.
This has never happened before. And the priestess will still be around, functional, and things are going basic.
Your Highness.
What is it?
Your Highness.
Uwadiae, what is it?
Uwaifu is gone.
Uwaifu?
Yes.
Which Uwaifu are you talking about?
Your Highness, our Uwaifu.
Gone where?
He's dead.
No. The same Uwaifu I just sent.
Yes, Your Highness.
No. Tell me. Did you see the corpse?
Oh, Your Highness, I saw the corpse. Uwaifu is gone. Hey.
This is strange.
Your Highness, what are we going to do now? Your Highness.
My friend, see my friend, what happened? I have come to talk to you. Someone is daring me in this village. Who is that? Is it not that one I call herself my sister, Uwadiae? Calm down, what happened? Do you know how these were looking for my man? Yes. Pascal. My man is with Uwadiae in the bush. That's not true. I am telling the truth. Eyozogi and Co. Came to my house to tell me that they saw Pascal and Uwadiae in the bush. That my sister Uwadiae was caressing my man. You don't mean and all this while I'm looking for my man, Uwadiae kept quiet. Uwadiae held my boyfriend captive in the bush. You understand? She held him captive. See, that girl is daring me. I don't care whatever she call herself, oh. I don't care to know. I'm going to fight her.
My friend, it's okay. Please calm down. Have you told Papa?
No, I've not.
And you have to let him know first, eh?
What is he going to do?
No, you have to tell him so he will know what's going on before you can take any action, okay? Just let him know, okay? Please.
All right. I will do to your
just
advice.
calm down.
I'll talk to my father, but I know for sure that that girl that called herself my sister, when I'm done with her, okay. When I'm done with her, even the gods will reject her. The gods will reject her in this village. If you know, tell her to leave my man for me, oh. My friend, tell her to leave Pascal.
It's okay. Just step Papa first, okay? Okay. I'll see you later.
All right. Impossible. I will not take it, Papa. See, I will not take it. I will not take it in this house.
What is it?
Do you know that all these who have been looking for my boyfriend Pascal, he has been with my sister Uwadiae in the bush. Nobody wants to take my fiance from me. It will not happen in this house, Papa. I will fight her with the last drop of my blood. I will fight her. I will fight her.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
Papa, I'm not lying. I'm telling the truth. I've even confirmed it. It's true.
It's not possible. The priestess cannot be with a man.
I am telling you that your daughter have been with my man. Please, Papa, tell your daughter to leave my man for me. Tell your mother to leave Pascal for me, or else the head will roll. You understand, Papa? Tell your daughter to leave my man for me. Papa, see, me I've spoken, oh. I'll set my mind, oh. If you don't want problem in this house, if you don't want problem, if you don't want it to someone else in that you know get palace, please tell your daughter to leave my man for me. Else, something else will happen.
What is happening? What is going on? The priestess?
Uwadiae, I don't. What is it you are actually saying?
Your Highness, please, I need you to come to my rescue. Please, help me to talk to my daughter, Uwadiae. She's getting out of hand. Please.
It's all right. It's all right. I think what should be done will be done. I will send for her. I will send for her and we'll reason this out together.
Thank you, Your Highness.
It's okay. You can.
Your Highness, please.
I will certainly. No problem. I will send for her. At least she will listen to me.
And she has to.
It's okay.
Please, Your Highness.
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you, Your Highness.
Uwadiae, priestess, wanting a man.
It's true.
Pascal is mine now. Nobody, I mean nobody, can take him away from me. Not even the gods.
Oh, it means you have decided to confront the gods? Priestess! What insolence! What temerity! Oh, so you now have the guts to walk out on me? Uwadiae, do you believe that your daughter, Uwadiae, walked out on me? Had the effrontery, the sagacity to walk out when I was still talking to her?
She did that to you? She walked out on you?
See, now my hands are tied on this matter. She even threatened and made bold to say that nobody can change her mind. Nobody can stop her. That even the guards cannot take Pascal away from her.
She said that to you?
In fact, please, I don't want to talk too much. You can go back home. The gods will fight this fight.
This girl will not.
You can go back home. I want to be left alone.
Your Highness, I'm sorry.
It's okay, it's okay. Uwadiae. No, it has never happened and it will not happen in my time.
Your Highness, please, you have to help me. I'm confused. I don't know what to do anymore.
Uwadiae,
Your Highness,
to be sincere with you, I am much more confused in this matter than you are. I really don't just know what to do. It is terrible.
As for me, I will not allow Uwadiae to take what belongs to me. Tomorrow morning, I will go and confront her.
No.
Your Highness.
No. My daughter, I know how you feel. We are in this together. But caution, when the day breaks, wisdom will tell us what to do. She is the eyes of the gods. We cannot confront the gods just like that.
Papa says who now that I cannot confront her. Tell her to leave my man alone.
That will be confronting the gods. You can't do that, my daughter.
Uwadiae,
Your Highness,
take our daughter home. Tensions are high. When the day breaks, wisdom will tell us what to do.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, Your Highness.
No, you're so funny.
My daughter, calm down. It is well. May the day break.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Uwadiae, or whatever you call yourself, I've come to warn you to leave my man for me. Leave Pascal for me.
You do not have a man.
Uwadiae, you are joking. Pascal is my man. And you know it. If you want peace, leave my man for me. Else, you will regret it.
Osanoga, you cannot do anything. Not even the gods.
Remember, I am your elder sister. Whatever power you think you possess, I don't care. All I want is that release my man from your captivity. Else, Uwadiae, you will regret it, oh. You will regret it. I'm ready to fight you. I am ready to fight you in this village.
Osanoga, remember I'm still the priestess of this community.
Who cares? Who cares? Whether you are whatever you think you are, I don't care. I am warning you. I am warning you. Be very careful with me. Leave my man for me. Leave Pascal for me.
Leave my premises.
Or I will deal with you.
Leave my sight.
Leave where? It's like something is wrong with you. Who do you think you are? No, I'm asking you. Who do you think you are, Uwadiae?
Leave my sight.
Uwadiae. Hey! This is not happening. Uwadiae, look at you. Just look at yourself. No. The gods are wise. The gods are wise. Uwadiae, look at you. You are not an ordinary person like me.
No.
The gods have stripped you of your past. Look at you.
Sister.
You are not ordinary.
Sister.
I thank the gods. They have given me the justice that I want. Uwadiae, I'm not done with you. Let's go home. Let's go. Finish it at home. Let's go.
Sister.
Let's go. Just look at her. Come, let's go home.
Sister, what is going on?
What's going on?
Happening?
Can't you see what is going on? Look at the priestess. Look at her. Uwadiae, look at her. She's not ordinary like you. Like you are not. She's not ordinary. Look at her. No, she's no longer your priestess. She's no longer your priestess. She's not ordinary Uwadiae, my younger sister. Yes. This has her rights. She got what she deserved. Yes.
Exactly.
Just mock her the way you want. Let's go home.
Priestess, I love you. Priestess, I love you. Yeah, man.
Just at least find a space in your heart to forgive me, please. I don't know what came over me.
Pascal, it's okay. I hold no grudges against you because I know it wasn't your fault. My sister casted a spell on you, and that's why things turn around. It's So it's okay. You don't even need to beg me that much. I owe nothing against you.
I know, but in as much as that, I still need to apologize. Please, Ehi, help me apologize to her.
No, you don't have to do that. It's okay. Just take it up.
Just tell me you've forgiven me.
Stand up. Please, you are embarrassing me. I've already forgiven you because I know it wasn't your fault. Okay? Let bygone be bygone. I've forgiven you. For real. And I'm happy that you still came back for me.
I love you.
I'm glad you guys are back.
Thank you.
My friend.
Thank you very much. Hey, thank you.
No problem.
How is Papa?
Papa is fine.
Are you sure Papa is not angry with me?
No, Papa understands everything.
Are you sure?
Yes, sure.
Alright, in that case, let me rush to the house and put some things in place.
Okay.
I'll see you, Papa.
Okay, but they'll be expecting you.
Alright, take care of you, darling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My friend, I'm so happy for you.
My people, I want to say a very big thank you for your understanding. My people, I am sure once again we are happy.
Very happy.
Because the gods have restored peace, tranquility, and progress back to our community.
Yes.
Uwadiae,
Your Highness.
I am sure you have learned from the lesson of Uwadiae.
Yes, Your Highness.
The gods never lie. So we pray that the gods will grant you wisdom.
Yes.
And will grant you peace of mind.
Yes.
And give you all the things that will be needed to make our community great again.
Yes.
I'm sure we all are happy now that our community has returned back.
Very happy.
So we'll be experiencing more progress, prosperity, and peace henceforth. So by the powers vested on me by the gods, I hereby proclaim Uwadiae the priestess of our community. It is well with you. You know your place.
Hello,